everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, we're going to be decorating a table in black and white, so come on with me guys. I've decided to use the checkered pattern, the Harlequin pattern, and we're going to start out with this beautiful runner. So here is the centerpiece. So let's walk around and take a quick look at this centerpiece. Okay, so we're going to start out here with this beautiful vase, which I thrifted. It matches my table perfectly. And the overflow florals or greenery I got from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful little golden bunnies, that came from Walmart. And the candle holders and the candlesticks came from the Dollar Tree. Absolutely loving this boxwood orb. I got this at the Goodwill, so this was an absolutely amazing price. It was pennies. So I placed that on top of a golden candle stand, and I purchased that at Dollar Tree. This video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am your main host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Now I do have a guest today, but let's get to decorating and I'll tell you more about her. So today we have Design with Emma, and the theme is black and white. Now, if you guys haven't been over to Design with Emma's channel, you must head on over there. She's got some gorgeous home decor, very elegant. You will not be disappointed. Go over there, show her some love, click the like button, tell her I sent you, and subscribe to the channel because she's amazing. Now the chargers for the table came from Hobby Lobby. The dishes came from Home Goods. Now those beautiful mirrored wine glasses, those were thrifted from the Salvation Army. Now the flatware came from Aldi, and it's the gold tone ones because they did have the black and they also had the silver. So those were a great buy. As in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Also, did you know that when you hit the like button and you full watch a video, even share the video, this helps us to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Now, aren't these napkin falls absolutely adorable? I love it. Time to head on over to the reveal. I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, so I hope you agree. Thank you, Emma, for joining us here as a guest on Tablescape Tuesdays. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.